friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels. Back at our job site again today, Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 11. We have backsplash tile going in. Some of it's already installed, but one of our guys with Carlson Tile is over here installing the backsplash in the kitchen. We picked grout color today too, so that'll be exciting updates. Let me show you around our space. Oh, and we have lights on today, friends. We are standing here in our entry, and the guys with Carlson Tile are here doing the backsplash tile install for the kitchen area. This got installed over here. It looks so good. We had to adjust our grout line width to make it fill out so it was just exactly 8 tiles across, but it looks really fantastic. And we picked our grout color for there. We're going with a grout color that is more similar to the accent diamonds in the middle of our lantern shapes. We picked out our grout color for over here, a little bit darker than our tile so that the pattern will stand out. But as you can see, our star and cross pattern here looks fantastic. It gives us a lot of texture in this space, and the color variation gives us some depth. So we're getting ready to have appliances installed. Oh, that's going to be so exciting. The 42-inch side-by-side Sub-Zero is going in that opening. We are super excited about that piece going in, friends. I'll walk you over here real quick to see the side of the kitchen. Oh, it just looks so good. I love this island and how it turned out. So pretty. We had carpet installed in bedrooms, so you can see our carpet's in here. It's been rolled out. Fits very nicely in this space. This is the bedroom on the front of the house. Carpet's all in here. Oh, it just smells like fresh carpet. So nice. It's almost like that new car smell. And it smells so good. But as you can see, great progress on this project. Our last look over here is in our master bedroom. Carpet's installed in here too. Oh, it helps with the sound so much. Oh, and the carpet pad feels so good. Oh, new carpet feels so good under our feet, friends. Oh, so good. And it goes so nicely into the closet. Next steps, getting our appliances in. We've almost got our homeowners back in this house. Thanks for being on this journey with us, friends. We really appreciate you being here for Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 11. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.